Hurricane Laura made landfall early this morning in the Cameron Parish of Louisiana, right along that Gulf Coast there, with max winds at 150 miles per hour. That made it a Category 4 hurricane. It has since moved inland and it's dropped in strength down to Category 1, so it's getting a little bit better. It's still very strong, though, moving north of Alexandria, 85 mile per hour winds, and it's aiming for Arkansas next. The storm is likely to drop down to tropical storm strength by this late afternoon into the evening, tracking through Arkansas during the day on Friday, and then moving off into Kentucky and areas of West Virginia. For us, we are not looking at any sort of direct hit impacts, but as it breaks down just to our north, I am expecting wind and rain locally. That will mainly come on Saturday. Today, though, starts with a couple clouds, no major rain outside, couple spotty showers and maybe a brief thunderstorm this afternoon, but it's a pretty normal summertime day for us today. Tomorrow starts with sun and clouds and ends with a few more showers and storms, so the rain chance does pick up a bit by Friday. However, it's Saturday through late morning and midday that some of the heaviest rain in waves will come from the remnants of Laura to our north. It'll break apart a bit in the afternoon as the storm starts to pull away from our area. But in the meantime, we're really looking at a quite soggy Saturday, along with one that has gusty wind. The wind speeds will generally be under 20 miles per hour, but the wind gusts at times could go over 30 miles per hour, according to this computer model. So we still have strong wind and a good bit of rain to get through when Laura starts to break down near us. For today, though, we are looking at dry conditions for the most part. Temperatures in the 70s to low 80s right now, aiming for 85 degrees in the mountains and 91 in the upstate. Generally hot and humid with small late day storm chances. So as we rate your Thursday, the Carolina Sky Meter is at an 8 out of 10. Really looking and feeling pretty good. Tomorrow, again, a mostly dry day, but the evening will bring that rain chance, and then Saturday is soggy and breezy. There's a small chance for severe storms as well, especially in our mountains, but most of that will be closer to I-77 and eastward. So we should be fairly safe, even though we can't rule out some strong storms completely. Luckily, you can salvage part of the weekend. Sunday looks like a beautiful day, though it gets hot again near 90. We'll take another look at your forecast coming up.